Hello everyone, welcome back to Express VTU for all. In this video, we have to solve a very important question from Module 1 Digital Logic Gates. So our question is, minimize the following Boolean function given here. F of a, b, c is equals to 0, 3, 6 and 7. For these midterms, it is given. So our first step is, we have to see how many number of variables given here. 1, 2, 3 means 2 to the power 3, 8. So 8 boxes will be there. So we will draw a rectangular box, then we will do half of this from here, after this half and this half. Then we will write the values 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Here we will write A and here we will write BC. Then the combinations 0, 1 here and here it will be 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1 and 1, 0. So now we have drawn the K-map for this. Now we will mark the midterms here 0. It is given here pi, means we will write 0 here. At first we are marking this as 1, but here we have to mark this as 0. Now at 0, 3, 6 and 7 given here, and the rest of the terms we will write 1, or else we can leave here, but we have written here 1. So now we will group this. So here for the first we will check the group number of 8s, but 8 is not possible. Then 4 is also not possible. So for 2 here, this one is 2, then these 2. I am marking this as first group and this is as second group, and this is left behind, so we will mark this as separate group. This is third group. So now the minimized values will be A, B, C is equals to 1 into second group into third group. So this is our minimized Boolean. We will solve it separately. So for the first group we will write here, this is our first group. For this row A is covering, A is 1, but we will mark this as A bar because we are using here pi. So this will become A bar. And now we will check for BC. So here 1, 1 and 1, 0 it is covering. So 1 to 1 it is true, means it is same. And but C 1 to 0 it is changing. So we will only take B. So again we are taking this as plus and B bar. Basically we are doing here the reciprocal, opposite of this, means whole bar of 1 first group. So it will becomes A bar plus B bar. Now we will do for second group. Second group is this one. So here A and B. For A we will check 0 to 1, it is changing, but for BC it is same. So we will write here B bar plus C bar. So if we are doing this BC, then reciprocal of BC will be B bar plus C bar. That's why B bar plus C bar written here. Then for the third group, it is simply this one, A bar plus B bar plus C bar given here, A bar, B bar, C bar, but we will write here the reciprocal of that, mean opposite of that. It will become A plus B plus C. Now we will write thus minimized Boolean expression is f of a, b, c will be equals to A bar plus B bar into B bar plus C bar. Then the last one is A plus B plus C. So like this you have to solve for this type of problem. So thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe Express VTU for all.